Welcome back to ProMonk, your ultimate destination for the latest and greatest in smartphone technology. Rocket. Today, we're taking a close look at one of the most anticipated devices of the year, the Honor Magic 5. From the very first glance, the Honor Magic 5 doesn't just look like a phone, it looks like a piece of modern art. Standing tall on a glass table, connected with its charging cable, and surrounded by soft decorative flowers and plants, this phone is presented in a way that shows off both elegance and power. Herb sparkles. Let's begin with the front side. The display of the Honor Magic 5 is stunning, crisp, bright, and full of life. App icons appear smooth, animations flow effortlessly, and every little detail shines on this vibrant screen. Whether you're browsing the internet, playing games, or streaming your favorite shows, the experience feels premium from start to finish. The brightness and clarity make it perfect for both indoor and outdoor use, giving you a world-class viewing experience right in your hand. Now, let's turn to the back side. This is where Honor has taken design to the next level. The glossy finish reflects light beautifully, while the unique camera setup truly stands out. The camera design is bold yet refined, showing Honor's commitment to style as well as functionality. If you're someone who loves photography, this phone is made for you. From capturing detailed portraits to shooting cinematic videos, the Honor Magic 5 makes sure your creativity never feels limited. Camera with flash fire. But it's not just about design, performance matters too. The Honor Magic 5 comes with powerful hardware that ensures smooth multitasking, lightning-fast gaming, and reliable day-to-day performance. Whether you're editing content, handling work, or just scrolling through social media, this smartphone delivers without compromise. And let's not forget the battery life. With efficient power management and fast charging, the Honor Magic 5 keeps you going all day long. That means less time worrying about charging and more time enjoying what matters most. Here at ProMonk, we don't just show you smartphones, we show you the magic behind them. The Honor Magic 5 is more than just a device, it's a companion built for those who demand style, performance, and reliability. So if you're a fan of beautiful design, powerful performance, and premium quality, the Honor Magic 5 is definitely a phone you need to keep an eye on. Right finger, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe to join our growing tech family. Your support motivates us to keep bringing you the latest and most cinematic smartphone content every single day. Stay tuned, because more amazing tech is on the way, only here on ProMonk. Rocket.